Test your AZ900 skills with real exam-style questions, with answers and explanation. Question 1. Which of the following defines cloud computing? Option 1. Using remote service to store and manage data. Option 2. The use of local storage. Option 3. A form of artificial intelligence. Option 4. A type of computer hardware. The correct answer is option 1. Using remote service to store and manage data. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing involves using remote service for storing and managing data. Question 2. How does cloud computing benefit businesses? Option 1. Increases hardware requirements. Option 2. Reduces need for physical infrastructure. Option 3. Requires complex networking setup. Option 4. Increases operational costs. The correct answer is option 2. Reduces need for physical infrastructure. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing reduces the need for businesses to invest in physical infrastructure and hardware. Question 3. Which of the following is a characteristic of cloud computing? Option 1. Fixed cost structure. Option 2. Scalability. Option 3. Limited access. Option 4. Manual updates. The correct answer is option 2. Scalability. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing allows resources to be scaled up or down based on demand. Question 4. How does cloud computing affect IT costs? Option 1. Increases overall costs. Option 2. Decreases capital expenditures. Option 3. Requires more hardware. Option 4. Increases maintenance costs. The correct answer is option 2. Decreases capital expenditures. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing reduces the need for businesses to make large upfront investments in hardware and software. Question 5. Which is an example of a cloud service model? Option 1. Platform as a service. PaaS. Option 2. Internet of Things. IoT. Option 3. Virtual Private Network. VPN. Option 4. Database Management System. DBMS. The correct answer is option 1. Platform as a service, PaaS. Explanation for the answer. PaaS is a cloud computing service model that provides a platform allowing customers to develop. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of PaaS? Option 1. Microsoft Azure. Option 2. Google Cloud. Option 3. AWS Lambda. Option 4. IBM Cloud. The correct answer is option 3. AWS Lambda. Explanation for the answer. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing platform offered as a platform as a service. PaaS. Question 7. Which of the following is not a benefit of cloud computing? Option 1. Increased accessibility. Option 2. Automatic updates. Option 3. No upfront costs. Option 4. Limited flexibility. The correct answer is option 4. Limited flexibility. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing offers flexibility and scalability. Question 8. Which technology is commonly used in cloud computing? Option 1. Edge computing. Option 2. Virtualization. Option 3. Blockchain. Option 4. Quantum computing. The correct answer is option 2. Virtualization. Explanation for the answer. Virtualization technology enables the creation of virtual machines and resources in cloud computing environments. Question 9. How is cloud computing different from traditional IT infrastructure? Option 1. It requires physical servers. Option 2. It is always on premise. Option 3. It offers remote access to resources. Option 4. It needs manual updates. The correct answer is option 3. It offers remote access to resources. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing allows users to access computing resources remotely via the internet. Question 10. Which of the following is an advantage of using the public cloud? Option 1. More control over infrastructure. Option 2. Lower costs and easy scalability. Option 3. Higher security. Option 4. Customized hardware. The correct answer is option 2. Lower costs and easy scalability. Explanation for the answer. The public cloud provides lower costs and easy scalability with shared resources. Question 11. Which of these is an example of software as a service, SaaS? Option 1, Google Docs. Option 2, Amazon EC2. Option 3, Microsoft Azure. Option 4, Google Compute Engine. The correct answer is option 1, Google Docs. Explanation for the answer. Google Docs is a SaaS application where users access and use software over the internet without needing to install it. Question 12. Which cloud deployment model allows both private and public clouds to work together? Option 1, Community Cloud. Option 2, Public Cloud. Option 3, Hybrid Cloud. Option 4, Private Cloud. The correct answer is option 3, Hybrid Cloud. Explanation for the answer. Hybrid cloud allows businesses to mix and match private and public cloud resources for more flexibility. Question 13. How does cloud computing enhance collaboration? Option 1, by limiting access to data. Option 2, by providing a centralized location for data. Option 3, by reducing connectivity. Option 4, by keeping data on local servers. The correct answer is option 2, by providing a centralized location for data. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing allows users to collaborate in real time from different locations by sharing a common platform. Question 14. Which of the following is a security concern in cloud computing? Option 1, data privacy. Option 2, hardware costs. Option 3, limited access. Option 4, increased storage capacity. The correct answer is option 1, data privacy. Explanation for the answer. Data privacy is a concern as cloud computing involves storing sensitive data on external servers. Question 15. Which of these services is typically provided as a cloud platform? Option 1, data center management. Option 2, content delivery network. Option 3, cloud storage. Option 4, virtual private network. The correct answer is option 3, cloud storage. Explanation for the answer. Cloud storage is a cloud service that stores data remotely. Question 16. Which factor is most important when selecting a cloud service provider? Option 1, cost only. Option 2, security and compliance. Option 3, availability of virtual machines. Option 4, speed of internet connection. The correct answer is option 2, security and compliance. Explanation for the answer. Security and compliance are critical when choosing a cloud service provider to ensure that data is protected and meets legal requirements. Question 17. Which is the main feature of Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS? Option 1, software applications. Option 2, virtualized computing resources. Option 3, platform development tools. Option 4, cloud-based databases. The correct answer is option 2, virtualized computing resources. Explanation for the answer. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources such as virtual machines. Question 18. How does cloud computing help with disaster recovery? Option 1, by keeping backups in local servers. Option 2, by using redundant cloud resources. Option 3, by backing up on physical disks. Option 4, by requiring less power. The correct answer is option 2, by using redundant cloud resources. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing uses multiple data centers to replicate data and ensure business continuity during outages. Question 19. Which is a benefit of using public cloud computing? Option 1, high cost. Option 2, scalability. Option 3, limited access. Option 4, security issues. The correct answer is option 2, scalability. Explanation for the answer. Public cloud services offer scalability where resources are provided based on demand and only pay for what is used. Question 20. Which of the following is true for cloud computing? Option 1, it requires a constant physical presence. Option 2, It offers greater flexibility and scalability. Option 3. It is limited to a specific location. Option 4. It doesn't require internet access. The correct answer is option 2. It offers greater flexibility and scalability. Explanation for the answer. Cloud computing allows businesses to scale resources and adjust based on usage demands.
For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and visit skillr.com.